Man, y'all tune in real quick. Tune in real quick. Good conversation. I want to say something. Y'all tune in. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Do all y'all got to do, man. Real conversation, real talk. I ain't taking no sides. I'm just dropping it down like it's supposed to get dropped down. I'm going to tell y'all something, man. Everybody that's in the industry, remember I told y'all before, the only reason why you see so much downfall in the rap culture is because of the one that they call themselves gatekeepers, right? Yeah, we're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about the J. Prince situation. J. Prince Jr., the little dude, all-star, whatever his name is, he out of Detroit, being 10. I always remember this. Little being 10. It's a youngster, man. Them babies. The little all-star. Get what? He a baby. Them babies. I want you to understand that. They babies. They only moving off of the people that's supposed to be the gatekeepers in this industry that everybody love. All right? Now I'm gonna tell y'all what happened to that boy all-star, to the all-star boy, that boy out of Detroit. See, that right there should tell you that, man, it's too much bad game that's being given out to the youngsters, man. It's not really the youngsters, homie. It's the bad game that's been given to them. See, because when it's all said and done, everybody just want to get at them some money, man. Man, everybody want to get at them some money, mind their own business, and go their own way. But when you got gatekeepers in the game that I see with J. Prince Jr., come on, my guy. So you just gonna destroy what your daddy done built? You gonna destroy what your daddy done built? All in the name of what? You mean to tell me that you up here getting into it because of them boys' baby mamas? Them babies, them young kids, man. I don't get that. You mean to tell me that everybody that come around you, they end up getting hurt, my guy? If you a gatekeeper, your job is to make sure that everybody get home. Everybody got to get home, man. I know everybody want to live the life of the mob boss. Everybody want to live the life of I'm the mafia. Everybody want to live the life of I'm this and I'm that. Everybody want to live this life. Man, listen, homie. Because you get a couple of dollars don't mean that you are done. It don't mean that. Okay, J. Prince. Everybody want to be down with rap a lot. You see that. You see that every time somebody get in the rap game, they can't wait to be, oh yeah, man, go to H-Town. I was kicking it with, rap a lot. I was kicking it with the mob time. You see that, right? Why not give them youngsters the right game? Why not give the young niggas the right game to where they ain't got to crash out? Why do the youngsters got to wake up and crash out? Come on, bro. What kind of game you giving them? All of this going around, bro. Your name is always in the middle of it. That don't look good. That don't look good, man. It don't look good. Then you got Finesse 2Tymes saying, say, man, I don't want to be a part of none of this. Man, I ain't down with this. Come on, man. Honeycomb Brazy. Come on, man. Honeycomb Brazy is supposed to be a part of y'all, but when he got locked up, he was saying that y'all was the ones that got him locked up. That's what he was saying. When he got locked up, he was saying that y'all the one that got him locked up. Am I tripping? Say, man, all I'm saying is this here. If you know you got the game right now, why not do it the right way? We don't hear nothing about Jazz. Jazz moved the way he moved, but everything is about Jay Prince Jr. Come on, my guy. It's nothing to mess with another female. It's nothing to do that because majority of these females, they going to have at least 20, 30 bodies. Easy. It's not a flex. And when I see them youngsters, I'm like, bruh, you supposed to be the one that bridged the gap. Your daddy gave you some good game. You supposed to took that game, grab some of that young game, and build something, my guy. Why not build nothing? Why we waking up only seeing more and more destruction? We not seeing nothing that got to do with being productive. You don't want your name on nothing like that, homie. Because you got to remember, it's a lot of people got their eyes open. Man, your daddy got away. Because your daddy was very intelligent, very smart. He moved the right way. Man, you in a position right now, Junior. You supposed to be giving these youngsters the best game in the world to where they don't suppose to crash. That's what you're supposed to be doing, man. Not trying to mess with their girlfriends or mess with their baby mamas or want to walk around like, yeah, man, it's me, you know. No, it's over with, boss. Why not give out the right game to all these youngsters, bro? All these youngsters sitting back, man, they want to be schooled the right way, man. That's all they want. They want to sit down and be schooled the right way, man. They don't want you to make them go over there, and next thing you know, it's another casualty. Look at all the people that been around you, man, and look at all the problems that done happened. Say, man, it's time to start using your head, man. Come on, man, use your head, man. Sit down, man. Your daddy got great game, man. Sit down, bro, and get the game and give it to the next generation, bro. You in the industry. Come on, man. Use it the right way, or you'll end up losing it. I'm just saying, though, man, and I'm out.